Dr. Cormier, let's talk about brain fog. What exactly is brain fog?
So every person we've ever seen with brain fog describes it a little differently. And it's almost like, you're trying to do something that should be very easy. It's not easy anymore. And it's like it takes more effort to do just the simplest of things that should be easy for you. And so, from a nerve standpoint, remember we have the Nerve Health Institute as our practice, and we see this all the time. This thing is your power company. It's wired to trillions of cells, and it unfortunately loses power, like power outages. We have so many stresses around us that can knock off power, and it's like the more power outages you have, the more of those cells can't function, and it just causes so many problems to happen, where the brain gets overloaded, and it's almost like it can't process all the input and output that's happening.
Why can stress, poor sleep, and diet all cause this?
Yeah, remember the world we're in is not getting any easier to live in. It's filled with physical stresses, emotional stresses, and environmental stresses. And environment is a whole nother thing that's unbelievable now. We got chemicals, pollutants, toxins, additives, preservatives, 5G Wi-Fi going on 10G Wi-Fi. I mean, there's so much in today's world that wasn't there, 30 years ago. So the foods aren't even God-made food anymore. There's so much that's man-made, and all of those things are factors, and all of those things make our body lose the ability to heal, which weakens the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the system designed to make you heal and sleep and rest and all the digest all those different things.
What helps clear brain fog quickly?
It's one of those things. Sometimes it's challenging to clear brain fog, but what I would suggest is number one, if you have anything like that, you probably should come to the Nerve Health Institute and get checked out, because typically, if you have brain fog, there's something that's bigger happening in your body, and it's unfortunately not a real quick fix for what you have. So I would highly suggest coming here, getting a very thorough workup, trying to figure out a corrective plan to get you better. And then certainly on our Body Chargers platform, we have plenty of things that can help you at home. So many little tweaks you can make every single day, that you may notice if you do several of those, all of a sudden you feel so much better and your brain fog gets better. I keep getting brain fog in the afternoons. Could this be linked to stress, diet, or something neurological? Again, Michael, I'm not your doctor, but brain fog, it's so many different things. You could just not get enough sunlight. You could be dehydrated. You could be low in minerals. I start my day every day with filtered, structured, and hydrogenated water. And I add a little pinch of my salt that has 84 trace minerals. And I do it every single day. It's part of my routine. There's no telling how many things just that one single part has prevented me from getting in my body. So I would highly suggest just start your day with that. You could be low in some of those minerals that's causing some of this. You could be low in sunlight. If you just start your day with sunlight, go out, get some sunlight in the morning, and you may notice a difference in the afternoons. And then also remember, the brain fog too. There's in the AP device, there's a head circulation setting you could run as well. Sometimes that helps. There's so many different settings that you can run. Just play around with the frequency devices if you have them. Go through the 28-day cell sparking challenge. You may notice one of those routines makes you feel better. That's what we're looking for. If you feel like you have family members or friends that have these types of conditions that could benefit from this particular technology, then all you need to do is become a Body Chargers member or tell them about Body Chargers. Remember, it's our community that I created to help people at home with the best technologies in the world to be able to help you to self-heal your body at home and maximize your self-healing. So go to Body Chargers, become a member. That's the easiest way to get this done. And we look forward to serving you and your family. Also, if you want a higher level of care, we have the Nerve Health Institute you can always come to. That's our clinic where we have higher level services here to be able to help you.